AutosForSale.com.
If you look up the word fusion in the dictionary, you'll see it means combining several different elements into a brand new creation. And that's kind of what we've got going on here with this new edition of the Ford Fusion. This mid-size car combines great fuel economy with sporty performance. So after I make the sales call right now, we'll take it out to the track and see how she does. The Fusion was designed from the beginning to be a sporty performer, and we confirmed that out at the track. Our test model had the base 175 horsepower 2.5-liter i4 engine, which adds 15 horsepower over the previous version. And even though it's the base engine, we still ran the quarter mile in just 17.1 seconds. 0 to 60 time was 9.8 seconds, and it went from 70 miles an hour to a full stop in just 4 seconds flat and 220 feet. We also found good acceleration in the mid-range too, with a 50 to 70 mile an hour passing time of just 6.3 seconds. In addition, it has an extra compact turning radius of just 25 feet 11 inches, 1 foot smaller than the previous version. And thanks to the standard electric power assist steering system, the electric motor improves the driving dynamics of the car to produce highly responsive steering, while at the same time improving fuel economy since it doesn't depend on the engine like hydraulic steering systems do. One thing I really like about the new Ford Fusion is its steering system. This is an electric, not a hydraulic steering system, and it's very responsive. That gives you a feeling that you could miss an object even if it came out at you at the last minute, like this car. Now let's turn our attention to fuel economy, which is a big concern in today's affordable mid-size family sedans. After a 100-mile test drive on the highway, we recorded an actual fuel economy of 36.8 miles per gallon. That's 8.3% better than the EPA estimates and 2 to 3 miles per gallon better than its closest competitors. Not only that, but we got that in a non-hybrid vehicle. Imagine what you'd get if you bought the hybrid version of the Fusion. According to powertrain leader Matt Hettenhouse at Ford, the gear ratios and overall span of the transmissions allows us to have a more efficient and higher performing shift schedule. Fuel economy is also improved by the new aerodynamic styling. The Fusion has a newly designed front end with powerful domed hood, along with new headlamps, grille, and larger fog lamp areas. Turning now to the interior, the Fusion got a complete makeover here as well. Check out this futuristic instrument cluster with ice blue backlighting. When you start up, you are treated to a welcome sequence where the gauge needles sweep through their ranges and then come to life. There's also a redesigned leather-wrapped steering wheel with form-fitting palm swells, a new shifter, and padded armrests for the driver. Over on the hybrid side, there are a lot of very cool high-tech features, starting with the smart gauge with Echo Guide that has 2 LCD screens on either side of the speedometer to help you get the best fuel economy possible. Another option is voice-activated navigation that combines GPS mapping, climate control, and Sirius satellite radio into one simple system on an 8-inch touchscreen. The DVD player can read just about any format, and the jukebox can hold 150 hours of tunes. There's also available sync for hands-free cell phone calling from Bluetooth phones, and a blind spot warning system and reverse camera too. So to sum up, what we've got is real sporty performance, great fuel economy, all wrapped up in a very affordable family sedan. Now that I've made that sale in there, I'm going to take off and have a nice long weekend.